Hi. Massage. Massage. Hi. Yes, yes, yes. It's My Life Philippines. You can find on YouTube. Hi. How much massage here? How much? How much massage? 400 peso.
Yeah, Swedish massage.
Swedish massage.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, thank you. Oh, it's for my subscriber. Maybe they want.
What's your name on your YouTube?
It's My Life Philippines.
It's My Life Philippines.
Yes,
Okay.
you can find. It's together. You can. It's My Life Philippines all together. Thank you. Bye. Car rental. Car rental open or not? Good afternoon. My friend asking about rental cars. Can you explain? Can you explain? No, not this, another friend. Another friend. Can you explain to me what kind of car have? What need to for foreigner? What kind of document need for rent car?
Yeah.
Maybe deposit need.
You want to renting a car? So our requirements was a passport and driver's license.
Only passport and international driver license. Or
okay, sir.
It's okay, not problem.
And foreign driver's license is valid here.
Yes.
90 days upon you arrive.
Until 90 days. If 1
Yeah.
month rent is not problem.
No problem, sir.
No problem. Deposit. Do you need
We
deposit?
have also a deposit of 2,000 refundable upon you return the car. And then our rate is depend upon the destination you have to go.
If
Or you
in
go.
Pampanga only,
Our sedan is 1,800 per day. It's 24 hours.
24 hours.
Yeah.
Okay. How many car? What kind of car you have?
I have a Toyota Vios.
Vios. I seen Vios
sedan,
blue
yeah.
sedan. Toyota
Vios.
Vios only
Yeah,
have.
the 5-seater, and we have a Toyota Innova, the 7-seater.
Innova 7
Yeah,
seaters.
that-
Okay.
like that one.
This
Yeah.
one. This one.
8 including driver.
How much
It's
Innova?
2,500.
2500 Innova.
Yeah.
Diesel?
Yep.
Diesel 7 seats.
Yep. The sedan is a leaded gas. Yeah.
Toyota Fortuner don't have?
I have, but my Fortuner is rented for long term,
For long. I want to ask only for June, middle of June.
middle of June.
Yes, my friend want to come to the Philippines 18.
Okay, sir. I have a card here.
Okay.
So if you want, just email me or message me to Facebook, WhatsApp, or Messenger.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. How much Toyota Fortuner?
It's 3,000 per day.
24 hours
For
one day.
24 hours.
If for
If you will rent it for long term, like a week, I give you 2,700 per day.
if 1 month,
If 1 month, I give you 50.
50 less.
50K for 30 days.
30
1
days.
month.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, so you have discount a lot. if
Yeah,
you get it
it's
for a
good
month.
discount.
Yeah.
Good discount. Toyota Fortuner gas or diesel?
Diesel.
Diesel. What name of model? GV.
G.
G model. What the
Yeah.
year of Toyota?
2020.
2020.
Like that, sir.
Oh, can I see? Gray color. Toyota Innova,
The Kia Rio.
Kia Rio.
Toyota Wigo. It's a hatchback.
Yes.
Suzuki Swift.
Swift also.
Yeah.
Red.
Suzuki Swift. This one's the Vios.
Vios. You have. I see you have Vios blue color. Good.
Yeah, yeah.
Good. Vios.
I have a new Vios like that.
New model already. New model.
Yep.
How much new model Vios?
It's 2,000, sir.
2000. If 1 month,
I'll give you 40.
40.
Or I will less that. I will give you 38.
38. Okay.
Yeah, per
Okay.
month.
Okay. Okay. Thank you very much for information. I will show to my
What is your
subscribers.
nationality, sir?
My nationality is Russian. Half
Russian.
Russian, half France.
Okay.
That's why.
Yes,
But I
sir.
was born in USSR.
Okay.
I live already a long time.
Yeah.
You can watch my.
You're a blogger?
Yes, you can
Yeah.
watch my YouTube channel. It's My Life Philippines.
Is this?
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's my wife.
Okay, sir. I will so
Oh,
explain to you.
okay,
sir.
thank you very much for information.
Yeah. Thank you, sir. Your name again, sir?
Leon.
Leon.
Yes.
I'm Joel, sir.
Nice to meet
Thank
you.
you, sir. Have a good day.
Thank you and you. This is Toyota Innova. Also Innova Vios. This Vios and this new model Vios. This Vios. Okay, let's go, Georgi.